Say hey, Ray. Mom and Son Train Rail fans out in the building. We're doing some work on the track. Ray is getting ready to transition his steam engine onto the outer line because we want to test it going through the canyon. There you go. Good job. Now he's going to run back over, and if this clears our canyon, our Rock Mountain area, then we know we're good. So this is a test, because this would be one of his bigger engines. And of course, I got to gravel all this stuff today. So let's go down here, and we're going to watch it from the back side. And it has to clear this area right here. And if it does, then Mom did a good job. If it doesn't, then Mom's got to rework it. Sometimes not everything goes the way it's supposed to. And we know our track is dirty, so we got to clean that too. Howdy ho, I think we did it, Ray. I think Ray's a happy camper. Guess what we get to do now? Lay some gravel and clean some track. Say we'll see you in a little bit.